Downloading your account data from Zelle can help you keep track of your transactions and manage your finances effectively. Follow these steps to retrieve your data. Step 1. Access your Zelle account. Log into your bank's mobile app or website where Zelle is integrated. Make sure you use the same credentials you use for your banking account. Step 2. Navigate to Zelle transactions. Once logged in, locate the Zelle section within your banking app or website. This is usually found in the Payments or Transfers menu. Step 3. Select Transaction History. In the Zelle section, look for an option labeled Transaction History or Activity. Click on it to view all your past transactions made through Zelle. Step 4. Choose the date range. Most platforms will allow you to filter your transaction history by date. Select the desired date range for the data you want to download, ensuring it covers the period you need. Step 5. Download your data. Look for a download option, typically represented as a button or link. This may allow you to download your transaction history as a CSV or PDF file. Click the download option and save the file to your device. By following these steps, you can successfully download your account data from Zelle and keep track of your transactions.